Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share my goals and challenges that I've created to keep myself motivated and improve my physical health. As we identified in the previous video, improving my physical health is a top priority. If you haven't watched that video, I did a life audit to reflect on how my current state is and what I can do to improve my life. I'll add the link to that video in the description. Please do check it out. I think it will be helpful for you too. This time, instead of setting goals like I have to lose 7 pounds in 1 month or 30 pounds within next 6 months, I am going to set action-based goals. For example, it will be like I have to walk certain number of steps each day or eat under so many calories. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to focus more on the activity that I can do and not worry about the result. My overall objective is to lose weight and gain strength. So I need to focus on both eating right and physical training. To start off with, I'm setting a daily calorie limit. In the past, I've tried to eat around 1200 calories to lose weight. It initially works, but after a few days, it gets really hard to maintain eating under 1200 calories and it's just not sustainable. This time, I want to create a more manageable calorie deficit so that it's easier to maintain. So I decided to start at 1800 calories. So what I'll do is I'll try to eat under 1800 calories for a month and then make adjustments as needed. I find it hard to even drink 3 liters of water every day. So my goal is to make sure I drink at least 3 liters of water every single day. For physical training, I'm just starting with walking. Once I get used to walking for more than 30 minutes and build some stamina, I'll start introducing different exercises. My goal here is to walk 4000 steps every day and increase by 200 steps every 2 weeks. I'm also going to do challenges with rewards to keep myself motivated and make sure I'm consistent. I have designed these challenges in a way that I have something to complete every single day, as well as some goals I'll only be able to complete if I'm being consistent. So in this first challenge, each circle represents 1 kg. So every time I lose a kg, I'm going to reward myself with $50. So here I've kept my initial weight as 155 kg, but my starting weight is 154.4 kgs, but I rounded it off to 155. I should have rounded it off to 154, but for some reason I felt like 155 will make it easier to track and set up the reward system. I check my weight interchangeably in kgs and pounds. I'm from India, so growing up I always tracked my weight using kilograms. But after moving to US, I started checking in pounds as it was helpful during the doctor visits and for other things here. So another thing about this challenge is I'm going to set goals in both kilograms and pounds, and I'm going to keep the reward as cash, so I can choose to either buy something or go on a trip or basically motivate myself with whatever I want at that time. I already have a few ideas of how I'll reward myself. I'm thinking about getting some new shoes. I've been looking at Dyson Airwrap for a while now, so probably I will go for that. But yeah, do let me know in the comment section what else I could reward myself with. So for this next challenge, I'm going to reward myself $300 for every 30 pounds I lose. In this under challenge, anytime I go under either 125 kilograms or 300 pounds or under 250 pounds or under 100 kg, I'm going to reward myself with $500. So these are the challenges I made to motivate myself to lose weight. Now to become more active, I created this miles to go on a trip. Anytime I complete 100 miles, I'm going to reward myself with $200. So by the time I finish the 700 mile mark, I would have like $1,400 and probably go on a trip. Right now, I'm thinking about either going to Yosemite or Lake Tahoe, but it depends when I finish the challenge. So for the Close the Rings challenge, it's about closing the rings in Apple Watch. So for the first week, it's going to be to burn 500 calories, exercise for 10 minutes, and I think stand is around 6. So each time I complete all 3 rings, I'm going to reward myself with $1. So this is the challenge I was talking about, having something to do every day. So I think it will keep me motivated that I can do it during the day and come back and get the sense of accomplishing something, like I managed to close the ring and complete the challenge for that day. The next challenge is 10k steps challenge. So how this challenge works is, so my daily goal can either be to walk 4000 or 5000 steps, but some days I might have more energy. If I manage to walk 10,000 steps, I'm going to reward myself with $2. The next challenge is eating under 1,500 calories. I have decided to eat under 1,800 calories, but if some days I'm able to keep the calorie count under 1,500, I'll reward myself with $2 for that day. The next challenge is hydration challenge. So I have set a goal to drink 3 liters of water every day, but I think I should be drinking at least 5 liters for my weight. For this challenge, if I manage to drink 5 liters, I will reward myself with $1. So I like going to the swimming pool, but recently I haven't been able to go because I'm feeling super self-conscious and I keep coming up with excuses to not go. So I thought just setting up a reward system will help. So every time I go to the swimming pool, I decided I'll reward myself $2. So these are the challenges and reward systems I created to get myself excited to lose weight, become more physically strong. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video useful and maybe even got some ideas for your own journey. I'm excited to share my progress with you, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. I'd love to hear about your goals in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.